Hi, welcome back to the Self-Help Bookshelf. Today I'm going to do a little tutorial about Kindle. It seems there's been some confusion between a few members and even our founding members about how exactly Kindle works. And I've just kind of been ploughing along under the assumption everybody knows about Kindle. That was a wrong assumption for me to make. I should have done this video some time ago, but better late than never. So here goes. Now, a lot of people think when we are promoting a Kindle book and then it's on offer, such as this week while I'm recording this, Rory's is on 99p for the rest of the weekend. And other times, either myself, Emma, or even future authors in this group will also have offers of Kindles at 99p for our launches and promotions. So how can you take advantage of this without having to buy a specific Kindle device? Now, a lot of people who like traditional paper books like the devices for traveling, going on holiday when they're really avid readers because it has the no reflection screen, and they actually allow you to read quite clearly out in broad daylight, sitting at the beach and, you know, just out on a bench in the park, etc., as well as being able to dim the lights down and read quietly at night. So that is the advantage for that, for people who are absolutely avid readers, but don't want to carry a whole stack of books for holiday. And they can just have them all on a device about the size of this, maybe a little bit smaller. Some of them are a bit smaller than this. But as you can see with this, it's very glossy, and you get out in daylight, you can't read it. But for people who just want to read the occasional book and want to read in the comfort of their own home, these are perfectly great for viewing a Kindle book. So as long as you have a laptop or a tablet or a mobile phone, you have access to Kindle Books. So that's the first point I wanted to clear up. You're not excluded for not having a Kindle device. Now I'm going to demonstrate on my phone here just because it's easier to hold up. The next thing you want to do is go to either Google Play Store or the Apple Store, whatever your device is, and some of them are slightly different. But go to the purchasing store and download the copy of Kindle here with the little boy sitting reading. It's not very clear on the camera, hold back a bit, but the one with the little boy sitting in the middle. That is the one who is actually sitting reading from a Kindle device or a book. So that is the one you want to download. Once you've downloaded and installed it, it's as simple as this. You tap on it and it will open up. There you can see the logo better. And it will open up with the library straight away. We see Rory's down here, the library of books that you've purchased. And there's Rory's, there's Emma's, my book, and so on. So there's some more of my books there. But yeah, anything that you download sits here in your library. These are suggested books to purchase next. Now that is where you read them from, but this is not where you purchase them. So this is the next point of confusion. So what you need to do is either go to a web browser, like Google or Microsoft, whatever you have on your phone, Safari, whatever it is. Or if you're like me, you have the Amazon app, you can tap on the Amazon app. And then once that loads, you search for the book. So I'm going to search for NeuroCreative Recollections as we're promoting Rory's this week. And it will bring you up the options to purchase the book. You click on the Kindle version. And then making sure here, just below the book, that you are selecting Kindle, not paperback. You then go ahead and purchase the book. So yes, you go ahead from the Amazon app or the Amazon website, whether you purchase through your phone, tablet or laptop, and you can purchase through the laptop and then access it through the phone because the device is linked through your email. So just use the same email address to sign up to the Kindle as you use for your Amazon account. That's the only caveat that has to be the same, because you can't purchase on one Amazon account and send it very easily to a different one. I think there is a way of gifting it, but I've not figured it out. I thought there was. Anyway, so purchase the book. As normal, go through the checkout. Well, actually, if you hit buy now and your credit card details are in there, it will instantly make the purchase. And then you come out of there and you go back to your Kindle app. Once you are back on your Kindle app, it will show, and it will show where that says read or read in the corner. There's a little black tab there. what you'll see is a little black tab there that says new. Once the book pops up there as new, it might take a few minutes. That is showing you that you've purchased the book, but you've not yet opened it. Now, if you read both on a phone when you are out and about and then prefer to read on a bigger tablet or laptop when you're home, you'll go to the new device and you may have to download it again on the other device, but it will then jump to the point where you saved it, so long as those accounts are all linked and you've all signed in on the same account through all devices. It all connects together. So that is how to use the Kindle without having to purchase a Kindle device. Now, once you have your Kindle device, there's one other bonus here. Sometimes books are free. Now, that's something we tend not to do in the self-help bookshelf and haven't done yet, because they tend to be shorter AI promotional books, and they tend to be sort of quick content that's used as a marketing strategy to draw you into something bigger. It's something that we may well end up doing at some point. But for now, the books that Rory and Emma and myself have created are more genuine content books that are there to serve and help you. And for the purpose of promotion, we have reduced them to the minimum of 99p, and they will go back up to full price after the offers. But once you've downloaded it at that 99p, that will just always stay on your device. Now, currently, Amazon has a way where you can get books and then download them off of Kindle. Now, I didn't even know that until this week, until they start saying that they are stopping this. Sometime in the next few weeks, there will be a point where you cannot then download it off of Kindle. I don't even know how you do it. It's not something I've ever done. But basically for 99p, while the books are on offer, that book is always there. And the same when you buy it for £7, £9, £10, £15, whatever. Everybody prices their Kindle individually. It is an independent pricing choice. So it's always great for you as members of this group that when we release new books, we will let you know when a book is released. It's brand new. If you want to get it in a hurry, that's grabbing the paperback or Kindle at full price. But when we do that launch, month, 6 weeks, 2 months later, that is when we will all be doing, as authors, a 99p Kindle offer. It's something we're going to make a caveat for this group, is that we will always offer a 99p Kindle in return for you helping us sharing the word about these brand new authors and their books.